Welcome to the ARM Data Quality Office DQ Zoom tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the DQ Zoom web application to dynamically plot and inspect ARM data. To begin, navigate to dq.arm.gov/dq-zoom and make a selection for the data stream you're interested in. You can do this either by typing directly into the data stream field or by making selections for site, data stream class, facility, and level. Next, select a start date and end date. Only dates that have data for the chosen data stream will be selectable. Note that you can use the arrow buttons to quickly match the start date to the end date or the end date to the start date. Lastly, select the name of the variable you want to plot and click the Embed QC button if you like any embedded QC flags to be plotted with the data. You can limit the plotted QC to bad or indeterminate and either overlay or remove the flagged periods of data. Click the Generate Plot button to begin loading the plot. Once loaded, the upper graph shows a plot of the instrument data over time with a background day-night shading, while the bottom graph shows the data distribution in the form of a histogram alongside some basic data statistics. You can click the Show File Header button to open a new window containing the metadata associated with the most recent netcdf data file used for plotting. Mousing over either graph will display the value at the cursor position. You can zoom horizontally by dragging the cursor either directly left or right, vertically by dragging the cursor directly up or down, or by dragging the cursor diagonally to zoom in on a specific area. The histogram and associated statistics display will update automatically based on your current zoom level. Double-click anywhere on the graph to reset the view. By using the menu buttons in the upper right corner of the plot, you can switch between pan and zoom modes, in addition to other utilities such as downloading the plot as a PNG image. While a plot is displayed, a few additional buttons are present in the side menu. Most notably is the Add to Plot button, which allows you to add data to the plot from various ARM data streams for the selected date range. Just go through the same process as before to select a new data stream and variable, and then click the Add to Plot button to add it to the currently displayed plot. If the variable you are adding has the same units as the currently plotted variable, it will be placed on the same y-axis. If the units are different, the application will attempt to place it on a secondary y-axis. You can remove data from the plot by double-clicking on its marker in the plot legend. Note that removing something will cause the line colors to be recalculated based on the order they were added to the plot. Enabling the time logging toggle switch will prompt you to select a start date and then end date for logging by clicking on data points within the graph. The date ranges you select will be displayed in a separate window where they can be copied for easy entry into a data quality form or downloaded as a CSV. You can also convert the y-axis of the graph to a log scale using the y-axis log scale button. Clicking the Share button will open a pop-up window with a link you can copy to share your plot view with others. If you want to make a change to the date range or start fresh with a new plot, click the Clear Plot button. You can also use DQ Zoom to plot two-dimensional variables. Make a data stream and date range selection again, and then choose a variable that has 2D in parentheses next to it. You can either plot the variable as a 2D plot, or you can select a single slice of the 2D variable to plot as a line. If you choose to plot the data as 2D, it will be dynamically downscaled to a max of 1 million data points on the screen at any given time. You can zoom in to see data at a higher resolution. This concludes the DQ Zoom tutorial. If you have any questions or experience problems while using the application, please use the Need Help button at the bottom of the page to submit a help request, or email the Data Quality Office directly at dqmgr@arm.gov.